This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to others alternative, Bitcoin have number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via internet without going to bank. This means that fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account cannot be frozen and there are no pre-secrets and arbitrary limits. Let's look out how it works. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy and sell bitcoins from dollar, euros and more. Your bitcoins are kept in digital wallet on your computer or mobile device. Sending bitcoin is as simple as sending an email and you can purchase anything with bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated Bitcoin for verifying transactions. After transactions are verified, they are recorded in a transparent public ledger. Bitcoin opens up a whole new platform for innovation. The software is completely open source and anyone can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Bitcoins are a great way for business to minimize transaction fees. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them and it's easy to use. There are no chargebacks and you shall get additional business from Bitcoin economy.